Yo, lovely people of the world, Jill Gu here, and I'm hosting a retreat in Tuscany, Italy in the fall of 2020. I was there last year and mind-blowing. The place that we stay, the people, the culture, the food, the energy of the land was profound. And so if you're looking to amplify your life a little bit, because this is a transformational retreat. Every day we do some exercises, activities in the morning, and then the rest of the day we explore Italy and we eat and we shop and we experience the land, the people, the culture, and they're tied together, the work that we do and the tours that we go on. So if you're interested, check out the information below. It's Italy, people, Tuscany, Italy. Has it been calling you? It's something else. So check it out, and I hope to see you in Italy in 2020. Bye for now.